What's up, my Banditos? Hope y'all having a beautiful, marvelous, great day. See all them verbs, nouns, I don't know. But today, I'm gonna take temp number 2 and finishing my diffuser. Got some aluminum that I had purchased sometime last week. Hopefully this video comes out before H2oi, because we like literally been busy all over the place trying to get things ready for H2oi this Thursday. So I'm gonna keep this intro fairly short. Let's get to it. I got my car here, repainting the wheels. All right, let's go. Before I officially start, because I keep saying I'm about to start now, but I at least want to go over everything that I'm using. Bump you up. So, first, I'm going to be using my handy Makita. Then, I got some a little high-speed metal saw for the aluminum with some fine blades, so keeps things pretty smooth and precise. So, yeah. Harbor Freight, shout out to them. Got my handy Clean drill bits, because Clean, it gets the business. And what else? I think a marker, which is somewhere. Put it down, but yeah. Use a auto paint marker. Awesome. So here's the aluminum. Pretty decent size. Pretty sturdy. So this is like the template already cut out for the diffuser, which is here, but this is coming later today. Sexy Greg measurements. So I'm gonna get ready to mark up what I'm gonna cut, but first I need to jack up the car. Y'all, G-Man came to save the day.
That's what I've been doing all day.
About to give me some instructions.
Basically just score it a little bit. And then we'll put this on the opposite side, clamp it down again, and then we'll use that to bend the aluminum. Because these are your fins on the side. Yeah. Easy day. My old landlord used to say that. Come fix the railing, easy day. Mow the lawn, easy day. Ain't no railing get fixed. Ain't no lawn get mowed.
Alright. Now that the G-Man has guided me, I'm about to go ahead and do what I have to do. Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna unclamp this and go grab my mentor, because he's the one that's helping me. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try and learn today, because that's what it's all about. Taking a chance, practice, and hope you don't mess up. Start dabbing on them. And that, my guys, is how you bend aluminum without a metal bender. You improvise. Words from Greg.
Pretty clean. Improvise.
I need 2 fins, sides. I need to do an alignment, lower my front end.
Ooh. We'll be here late, baby.
Basically, we're about to drill these holes right here, 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 and here. Use a handy step bit from Milwaukee. Yep, one of these guys. All right, let's get to it. All right, so now, I guess I'm gonna start messing with the fins. So I already cut out the first piece, thanks to Greg giving me the precise measurements.
And then you're gonna wanna do the dotted line on this side. And you're gonna wanna make sure that when you cut this, you remove the red. You know, you want the cutoff wheel to be exactly where that is.
And we did, what was the measurement for this?
1 inch. Oh, this is 8 and 3. So when you bend it, this will be 2 and this will be 7. And the fins on your big diffuser are 7.5. And this is also gonna be a ½ inch shorter, so it's gonna sit slightly more in.
Because this is the back side. So this will be the,
This will be diff.
this the diff,
Rear bumper.
rear bumper. All right, well, I'm out here cutting, getting the toe up from the flow up. All right, so now, I guess we're going to start marking and scoring. Finna score. Beavis and Butthead, if y'all don't know. Go to school. Go to school. All right, well, let's go. It's like making a paper airplane almost.
We should make a video of 10 things you didn't know you could do with your vise. We'll get like a pan and put it underneath here, put an egg in there, crack it, let it pour all over the vise. 1 down. Well, you gotta trim the edges, but basically 1 down. Then you're gonna drill holes. I'd chop this straight because that was just a error in judgment and measuring on my part. So I cut that little corner out to be straight with this. And then drill holes all the way down the center of this. But you gotta make sure they're centered because if they're on one side, it'll twist more that way or twist more that way. Know what I mean?
Yeah, y'all see it. Got my etch primer. I'm 10 for the day. Special guest.
Especially on your first coat, this is when it's most likely to fisheye. If you have like a little layer like that, you can go a lot heavier on your next coat. Now you just want to go really light on your first coat or it'll fisheye. But it's pretty hot in here, so that heat will help a lot.
All right, so y'all heard it. I didn't know what the hell I was doing once again, but Greg does. And he's sharing that wealthful knowledge. Got everything etch prime. They were telling me you just need like a light misting on here. See if this thing focuses. All right, quick light mist. Hung up the fins on some wire just so I can knock that out. And now, your boy in here waiting for Tim. I accidentally cut my little wrist. I dropped the fin, but it's something minor. So he's gonna basically paint it black and then flat clear it with his diffuser that he made. He added these little muffler cuts and then trimmed them down for the Z4. Now it looks super legit. Alright, it's ready for paint. Basically just sanded it down. He etch primed it, sanded it down with like 800 real lightly to make sure it's feeling smooth. Bolted it up, hung it by like some string, and he's painting it black. And then we're gonna flat clear it along with his diffuser that he made, and I'm gonna take it home, put it on the car, go from there. Yeah, it's a lot of last minute work, but we called it. It happens every year. So I got my diffuser on, changed my oil, and upon doing my oil change, noticed my wastegate was a little loose. Coming to find out, manifold is cracked right at the wastegate. I knew things was a little weird with the car once I was seeing it was like leaning out right when you left the throttle, which is kind of normal, but mine never went blank, so pretty blown right now. About to attempt to take it off tonight because I'm like kind of wired, but this is something I definitely didn't want to do. Mainly because this manifold is a pain in the ass. Like, oh my God. All right, well, I guess let me stop complaining. Let's get to work.